Hey guys, this is Heather. Today we are going to make a creamy curried parsnip soup. So if you've been seeing parsnips in the shelves of your grocery store and you've been wondering what to do with them, we're gonna make a delicious soup with them. This is part of the September Fuel Calendar, which if you haven't yet downloaded, you can get free PDF at the link below this video. And then you can follow along with the recipes and see exactly how we're gonna make them. All good soups start with onion and either garlic or ginger. We're gonna do all three. Put a small amount of olive oil or water or vegetable broth in the bottom of a soup pot, and then I'm gonna start with the onion. Turn that on to high. And we're just gonna brown these a little bit before we start the soup process. Add some minced garlic and some minced ginger. And then just toss this all to combine it. And then turn this down because we're gonna peel and chop our parsnips next. Nothing like having garlic on the stove to make you peel and chop efficiently. So in go our parsnips. You want 3 or 4 big ones or 5 or 6 medium ones. Add a little bit more water. And then we're gonna add 3 to 4 cups vegetable broth, or you can do water and a little bit of sea salt or vegetable broth cube or something like herbamare. Then we're gonna leave that to simmer with the lid on. Once the parsnips are softened, so you can poke them with a knife and they feel soft, then we're gonna finish this off. So we can turn the heat off, save some energy, and then we're gonna do a tablespoon of curry powder. I like to use mild, and a tablespoon of nutritional yeast to make it nice and creamy and offset if you use spicy curry powder. We're gonna put half a cup of canned coconut milk in there. Yum! Other options might be a tablespoon of almond butter or something like that. And then we're just gonna puree this. I am going to use my immersion blender. Great for pureeing soups because you can just leave it in the pot, minimize dish usage. And top it with some chopped chives or green onion. Really nice. Do you know I haven't had a pureed parsnip soup before? I quite like it. I like the slight, what's that flavor the parsnips have? It's not like tangy, it's I can't think of the word for it, but it's got that just little bit of parsnip kind of flavor, but super savory, super flavorful from the curry spices. And you could add more various curry spices if you want. So you could add more turmeric, you could add more cumin, you could roast them if you like, however you want to do it. I think another interesting thing to try would be to add some white beans in here before you puree it if you want to give it a protein boost and make it a meal unto its own. But I think this would be lovely served with a nice balsamic dressed salad or some toasted pita chips or something like that. So I hope you enjoy it. Make sure you download the September calendar and enjoy this recipe plus all the others on the menu for this month, 1 per day of vegan goodness. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every week, and I'll see you then. Bye.